Hi, welcome to my Toons for Chalk. Today we're going to draw Hazel and Seven. So take your markers and follow along with me. First thing I'm going to do, we're going to start with the eyes again. So I'm going to draw a big beautiful round eye like this. It doesn't have to be perfectly round, just like that. That's good. And now we're going to draw the iris. I'm just going to draw a little iris right here, and as usual a pupil. So we're going to draw a pupil right there, and as usual we're going to draw two little light reflections there. Now on this side I'm going to draw another eye, so you can follow along with me. So roughly try to keep it about the same size. Here we go. And then from here I'm going to draw an iris and a pupil. Again, two little light reflections right there. Good. And now for eyelashes. Here we go. There's one eyelash, and then on this side another eyelash. And then let's color the pupils in. And there we go, there's the two eyes. And then right between the eyes I'm going to draw a small little nose, a little button nose like this. Yeah, and then a smile right beneath that, with a top lip, a bottom lip. There we go, that's beautiful. And just above the eyes I want to draw two eyebrows. There's one, a thin eyebrow, and then there's the other eyebrow. Good, perfect. From here I'm going to draw the bottom of the jaw, just to get the basic shape of Hazel. So I'm just going to draw bottom jaw. There we go, to there. And now I'm going to start with the hair. So roughly here in the middle I'm just going to draw the front part of her fringe. There we go. And then I'm just going to draw maybe a few lines like this. And on this side I'll just draw one. There we go, like one. Good. And now I'm going to finish her face. So I'll just make a line there. And on this side just going to make a line round and to her face as well. Great. And now on top I want to draw a hat. So the first thing I'm going to do, let's draw a piece of hair. Maybe her hair can start there. And on this side let's draw some hair, maybe like that. Good. And now I'm going to start with the hat. So I'm just going to draw a sort of just a line above like that. And now for the hat, just make two round curves like that. And now we're going to connect it, maybe like that. And right here there's a star. On her hat. And then there's a cute little ear sticking out right there. And on the other side there's an ear as well. There we go. And there's an ear. And now I'm going to draw the top part of the hat, just to complete it. There we go, like this. There's the top part of the hat. Beautiful. I'm just going to make a little line for some texture on her hair. And now we're going to start with the body. So I'm not going to go too far with her body because I want to draw Seven as well. So what I think we should do, actually, let's draw Seven first. So I'm going to just the head. So let's draw Seven's head. What I want you to do is just draw sort of a half circle like this. And then from the half circle I'm going to draw two lines like this. That's going to be the side of his face. And then right in the middle, so right in the middle there, I'm going to draw a little nose. Little nose and a little cat mouth. There we go. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually draw the muzzle, or the muzzle, sides of the mouth. And now I can connect these lines. So I'm going to just connect it like this, and this one like that. And then there's sort of hair sticking out just above the muzzle, like this. There we go, perfect. From here, I'm going to draw the eyes. So I'm just going to draw a big, beautiful round eye. And on this side, the same thing. Big, beautiful round eye. Here we go. The pupils. The light reflections. And then the iris. And the iris. And of course, eyelashes. Eyelashes, yeah, there we go. And let's color in the pupil. And now we're going to draw some eyebrows. So right above here, I'm going to draw a little eyebrow, and on the other side as well, and we're going to color it black as well. For the ears, I'm going to draw a nice line there, and a little line on top, and then some hair inside the ear. And on this side, let's do the same thing. There we go. Little line on top, and there we go. And then there's some stripes on Seven's head. There we go. Beautiful. So there's the head of Seven. Now we're going to continue with Hazel. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a little neck for Hazel, yeah, and then I'm just going to draw two lines out, these two straps to keep her dress up, and just like this. There we go. A button, and then this button will just be behind Seven's ear, and we're going to draw the shirt. So there's a little cat picture on Hazel's shirt. There we go. And we can maybe just make a little eye there, a beautiful little nose, and a cat mouth. There we go, there's a cat face. Sleeve for the arm, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, a sleeve. There we go. And we're going to draw the arm. We're not going to draw that arm yet, so I'm going to draw the dress now. There we go. A nice swervy line, a wavy line actually, and another wavy line, and the last wavy line. There we go, perfect. And then we have a little belt there, and let's draw a few stars. There we go, and maybe a last one right there. Beautiful. And now we can draw the other arm there, and then the little hand. And now it's time for her hair, so I'm just going to draw a beautiful hair down here. And here let's make maybe some interesting shape, and then here we can make another interesting shape, and then we can actually just draw the hair down. And on this side, draw the hair down, there, and there. Oh yeah, and we forgot some hair for Seven's ear as well. And let's continue with 7. So I'm just going to draw underneath 7's chin right there, and we're going to draw a little star. So it's a little collar with a little star in it, and we're just going to close the line like that, and we're just going to, the collar is going around 7's neck. Next up, I want to draw the little body, so I'm just going to draw something like this, and on this side let's do the same thing. There we go, and it doesn't have to be perfect, both sides don't have to be perfect. And now for the arm. So on this side I'm just going to draw a little arm. There we go, and then the little hand, and of course I think there's 3 stripes on his arm. On this side we do the same thing. Here we go, with a little paw. There we go, and then we're going to draw the stripes there as well. And now for the legs. There we go, there's one leg. I'm just going to draw a little smile there. The other leg, let's do the other leg, and then the inside of the leg. And now for the little paws. So I'm drawing the toes like this, just semicircles to make it nice and easy. And now for 7's tail. So right here I'm just going to draw a line like this, and then you're going to draw a nice round curvy line around, and then of course it seems like there's some, I don't know, some stripes here as well. There we go, and there's the stripes, and maybe another stripe there as well. There we go, and there's little 7. And now for Hazel's legs. There we go, and then just above the shoe we can draw a shoe right here. There we go, like that. Good, and some stripes. And there we go. I'm sure your picture looks great as well. Thank you for drawing with me, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. See you soon. Bye bye.